Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the action button to open the camera in this device. So here you can see at the left side, here is the action button. So let me show you how to set the action button to open the cameras. For this, go to settings. Then here you can see the option action button. Tap on this one. Now swipe left or right. You can see the option camera. Yeah, you can see the option camera. Open the camera app to capture moment. Now press and hold the action button. Now you can see the camera is opened. Now we can easily take the pictures and we can easily record the videos. Okay, so simply in this way we can set up the action button as open camera in this device. Just press and hold the action button. You can see. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.